The desk is done. That's part 1, but the job isn't. So today we start doing the heart of the studio, the 19-inch rack. Because this is a rehearsal room for the band, but also a recording studio, I have to do the power, the routing, the cable mess. I have a nice new 19-inch rack. So let's start building. Let's clean up the cable mess. Remove all components one by one. And this is what is left over, a mess. I will also move a lot of cables to the ceiling, so I also have to clean up the ceiling. The power strip I bought did not connect to my power switches, so I had to replace the connector. I moved all non-audio related cables to the ceiling, so it's nice and clean. And I was left with an old power socket that I have to move to a new place. So here we have the new, organized, nice 19-inch rack. The bass preamplifier needed a female XLR connector, so I had to make a patch cable. And I also removed the amplifier, so I needed to add some new monitor speakers for the keyboard player. So when all was done, I was left with a mess, and with some YouTube magic, sometime my cats visit me, so I created also a nice place for the cat. So this is already the end of this video. My 19-inch rack is in place, my desk is sorted, all my cables are really neatly now organized, and it's easy to maintain. Hope you also enjoy. Subscribe and follow me for more, and see you in the next video.